In the heart of Alphabet Town, nestled between the grocery garage and Igloo Inn, stood a happy little house with a big purple sign. Holly H's Helpful Hat Shop. Holly H was a hamster. Not just any hamster, she was the happiest, hoppiest helper in town.
Hooray, time to help with hats.
One sunny day, the wind blew wild through Alphabet Town. Whoosh! Hats flew everywhere. The hippo's helmet, the hen's hiking hat, and even the horse's huge hat with the holes all vanished into the sky.
Oh no, a hat emergency.
So she pulled on her hero hat, jumped on her hoverboard, and zipped through town.
Hold on to your heads.
She found the hippo's helmet hiding in a haystack. The hen's hiking hat was hanging on a hammock. And the horse's hat with holes, stuck in a hot dog stand. At the end of the day, everyone clapped and cheered.
Helping with hats is my favorite hobby.
And from that day on, whenever anyone needed help, they knew who to call. Holly H, the helpful hamster.